This is not over when it comes to BTCM. This is not over. BTCM still has a lot more room to go, and I believe that this is one of those tickers which can easily have a massive comeback in the upcoming week. With that said, my friends, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be talking about the catalyst regarding BTCM, why I'm still having my bullish outlook on it in the upcoming weeks, and why I think it's too late to, or too soon to write it off. Then we're going to be talking about the stock, doing a little bit of a deeper dive. Then we're going to be talking about where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get into it. So when it comes to BTCM, right, this is a ticker which I told you guys that the dip down to the $5 levels would be worth buying. Well, today it went all the way down to $3.70. Right now, it did give us a little bit of a boost back to 480. However, the reality of the matter is that, guys, that unfortunately right now the momentum has flipped when it comes to BTCM. Although this is something that we've seen over and over again, right? And I think that if you go ahead and you look at companies that have had a similar kind of catalyst, which is pretty much just a fund catalyst, right? Or we're starting a crypto fund, catalyst, right? You look at SBT, we saw a similar price action, right? SBT ran all the way from $7 to $53. Then it went from $53 down to $28. Then when everyone wrote it off, it ran from $28 all the way up to $124. So for me, I think it's way too soon to call SBT a dead stock, right? Or BTCM a dead stock, right? And I think that next week is really going to be an indicator or a dictator of whether or not there's a ticker which you just kind of cut your losses from and walk away from, or can it potentially go ahead and retest even the potential $10 levels, right? Now, for me, I do see it again testing the $6 levels, right? I would say that 580 range, I could see it potentially getting there, right, from where it's sitting at right now, depending on how the markets are also trading next week, right? If Bitcoin continues to make higher highs and higher highs and higher highs, then new all-time highs over and over again throughout the weekend, well, guess what? Crypto's gonna go crazy, and BTCM will also go crazy with it, right? The top of this ticker for me is, I don't even want to say what the top is, man, because, it's one of those tickers that it can be so unpredictable, guys, right? At the end of the day, the company does have a sub $100 million market cap, and we've seen what these treasury stocks, right, are capable of the moment, the hype cycle starts picking up again. So when it comes to BTCM, for me, it is way too soon to call it, my friends. I understand that today it was down 36%, and that is discouraging, right? That is discouraging, right? But, in our own trading community, the prices which we went ahead and we bought it were these prices, right? From a swing trading perspective, today we bought it for $4.18, and we were planning on selling it at $4.52. Tomorrow with the stop loss of $3.69. Now, why $3.69? Because if it breaks this level right over here, $3.70 level, right, it's probably going to be heading down to the $3 levels, and I don't want it down there, right? So those are the prices which we actually went ahead and we picked it up today, right, in our own trading community. And I do anticipate a Monday morning test of this $4.80 level. I think that's going to be easily what's going to happen. Monday morning, we're going to get a pre-market pump at 4 a.m. So right now, if you already have a position, you bought it on the $4 levels, I would honestly suggest going ahead and closing half of your position at around like 470-ish, right, for a good till canceled order. If you don't know what a good till canceled order is, just Google GTC plus order, and then it will explain to you exactly what it means and everything like that. And if you guys want to trade alongside me and receive alerts, just like, we posted in our community today, right? Day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it. Check it out. Our community has over 400 members coming back month after month. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And right now, we do also still have a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. Now, I know it's 10 members, but there's less spots available. But just give it a shot. Even if the spots are full, pay the full price. I'm telling you, we have 400 members. Majority of them are paying the full price. There's a reason why they keep coming back, and the reason is because they're making money. Okay, it's that simple, right? When we go over here, right? Maybe pause it. This is literally, it says yesterday because it's 12 a.m. right now, right? That I'm recording this, but maybe go through it and read some of these, right? You will see that we've been kicking ass. Okay, we've been kicking ass day in, day out, and yeah, that's why people are coming back. Okay. With that said, my friends, I appreciate you guys all, man. Whether it's in trading or life, thank you for watching. Happy with in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.